What is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is we're going to be doing something very simple. Just going to be discussing some of the upcoming sneakers we got. So if this is something you're interested in, that's what this video is going to be about. So hope y'all will enjoy. We got a lot of Jordan 4s coming up, it seems like. So again, that's going to be the main topic of this video. But if you want more content like this, check my Instagrams, any of that down below if y'all want to. And of course, y'all can follow the business page right here. We've been working on the cook group, Drew and I. Again, feel free to give it a follow. We put a lot of work into this, and y'all have been showing some good love. So we appreciate that, of course. Backdoors, daily deals. I got a ton to ship out today. I'm getting some in today also, and you can go check out on the website. There's so many things. So go join the wait list if you're interested. You want to get on, kind of just talk with us. You have any questions about reselling, you want to scale it up, all right here. But that's all I need to say. Let's get started. So first things first, as you guys can see, this is the Air Jordan 4 neutral gray right here, and this is coming in 2023, August of 2023, and this is a very wearable colorway. If this is exactly what it looks like, kind of hits like this, I guess, in hand, kind of that brighter gray, or lighter gray, not brighter gray, but aside from that, pretty much the same thing. I think it's a very wearable shoe, and I could see this one definitely doing better. I could see people wanting to get their hands on this one, and it's overall just a good shoe. So that's something to look out for when you have a shoe that is like this, one that is again on a popular model, which is kind of a more simple colorway, I guess, that people really don't have to think about too much when they kind of put it on their feet. So it kind of goes with a lot of things. Then hey, it'll do well, and it's another one of those. And again, hopefully they drop it in adult sizes, and it's not just like a grade school exclusive or something like that. But I'm sure they will drop this one, in men's sizes. Maybe it'll be a women's sizing only. We'll see. We see that on some Jordan 4s, but not too many. It was with the Canyon 4s, but they ended up then making those an extended sizing. So there's now a lot of sizes out for those. But that's aside from the point. Just kind of the first one I wanted to show y'all coming in summer of 2023. Definitely one that I would be looking out for. Just again, very, I've said the word a lot, but it just is the exact one to describe this. Wearable. You don't have to think about it a lot. It's just nice, especially in summer too. I feel like people will be rocking with this one, kind of with the lighter gray theme. It'll work with a lot of outfits. But aside from that, another one I want to show you guys right here is the Fly Streetwear SB Dunk Low, also coming in 2023. Again, SBs have been hot recently. They've been doing really well. A lot of them have been going up, and just the demand for them, since a lot tend to get backdoored. I mean, this is a backdoor right here. Y'all can tell. Maybe it's just someone that has pairs in like a skate shop or someone, and they're just taking a video of them, getting into their shop. But I mean, again, we'll kind of see how that goes. There's plenty of people. I've already seen Private Selection, a resale store, with them. So this is most likely a backdoor, but again, that is not the point of this video. Just looking into it, and Fly Streetwear, everything about it, and you can actually see the video is from a Private Selection, one of the owners. So there you go. My point. This is another backdoor SB. It's not really shocking when Nike sends a lot of these shoes out to skate shops, and then people just go to skate shops, and then boom, the backdoor happens. It happens sometimes with some locations. Some places do it, some don't. That's how it is. But aside from the point, you can see all the kind of small details on it. The colorway overall is just, they even have it kind of the unique swoosh on it, which is another thing that I like. But the colorway overall is just very wearable. So I've said that word a lot, but I'm gonna keep using it throughout the video. It's a good one for summer, and I think just with how SBs have continued to be performing, I mean, if they don't drop too many ones in between this, which I don't think they will, it looks like they're more focused on the Jordan 4 right now, then yeah, it'll be fine. These are going to do well. But the next thing we got right here, we've discussed this already, but the Gorge greens right here, the Jordan 1, and I agree with the top comment right here. In a low, these would be pretty clean as well. I think there's some that are, there's one Jordan 1 low that I think is pretty close to these. I could be wrong. But again, this could be a one that, will probably, be one of those ones that resells around like 200, 220. So not like anything too crazy, but again, looks like it's good quality. I like the design overall. It's very simple. I mean, you can't go wrong with green and white. Never. I mean, it's, again, very, and it says it's releasing November 26th. So I remember seeing rumors for 2023, but now it looks like this one will be this year, which I'm very glad about. So might have to personal this one again before Christmas, this kind of colorway. Nike maybe knows what they're doing a little bit. Who knows? But again, it's a nice Jordan 1, and you can't go wrong with a good pair of ones. You can rock them forever, clean, dirty, whatever. They're good. But we'll kind of see what the stock ends up being, closer to release day. Again, some slight backdoors. I haven't seen anything really too crazy for this one, because again, there's been a lot of releases around this one that have been kind of, getting in the way of that. I'm on Air 4s, lost and found. I'm sure there'll be some, we have the Kentucky SBs and the Syracuse, not SBs, but the SP Dunk Lows. We have those as well in sneakers. So there's just a lot of stuff that gets in the way of this. But again, great colorway. I might have to personal. But another one right here, just posted this one on our page as well. I believe this colorway is the light iron ore. If I'm right, the light iron ore 4s. I could be wrong in this one, but just another 4. You can see Nike is dropping a lot of gray 4s, and people are kind of, from what I've noticed in the general comments of a lot of posts, people are like, okay, this is enough gray 4s, Nike, we understand it, but there probably will be a lot of things in between it, I'm sure, but they're definitely like, they need to, expand their color choices. I'm fully agreeing with this, and, maybe this will end up being like the neutral gray ones. Maybe the, leaks we're seeing for them now could just end up being one sneaker and not 2 different ones, but from what I've seen, they're 2 different names. We'll kind of end up seeing, with the backdoors, that'll happen, sooner or later down the line, if we have 2 different ones or if it just ends up being one. But seems like gray 4s are kind of, what Nike is going with right now. They're not stepping down and dropping them at all. They're dropping more. And we have another colorway right here, just kind of, simple darker gray, then a lighter gray, and then you have kind of the black, I guess, tags that hold the laces together. I usually just call them like the lace tags or lace holders. I know there's different names for them, but yeah, I could be wrong there. Sorry if I am. But another one. We've seen a lot of these. And also right here, we got the Run the Jewels and Nike SB Dunk Low coming soon. You guys can see, of course, one of the typical things Nike tends to do. I'm sure there will be a unique design on the tongue tag as well. But just kind of right back here by, the heel. They, again, have a logo here and here. And then they also, you can see as an SB because they got it right there in the center. And then also some other stuff as well. I'm sure the box will be unique. And then, again, some other details on the sneaker. We don't have a full look at it. This is the only look we currently have. But it's still great. Just want to show you all it real quick. Another SB. SBs and 4s are the thing right now. And of course, another Dunk Low. I mean, we're going to be seeing more of them in 2023, no doubt. Just kind of this Brazil colorway right here. Reverse Brazil is what they're saying. But hey, very simple. I don't really feel like I need to talk about this one too much. I've seen some other photos of this one, but I mean, it seems to be a pretty, and look, these are on those little like veggie snacks, like the chips sometimes. Like I see them at gas stations, but I don't know why he put the shoes on top of them. I could be wrong here. Am I just completely wrong? Am I tripping? Let me know, but interesting. And this is another Jordan 4, another gray one. I just thought I'd show you all this real quick, but yes, more gray Jordan 4s are coming soon. 3 different ones. And look, again, as I'm seeing through the comments, Cool Gray 2.0, how many gray 4s we need this year? I agree. And then one final one, another Jordan 4. Yeah, again, 4s and SBs are the theme of this video right here. We got a GS pair right here. This one actually probably would have been pretty nice to see in adult size. It's kind of like a Mocha 4. Maybe we will see some adult sizes come down the line for this one, but for now, GS are the only ones that are confirmed. And again, this one will definitely be going crazy just based off how recent GS4s have done, how they tend to increase in price. This will probably be another one of those ones that does that, depending on stock. Again, stock numbers are everything. Like the lost and found ones, from what I've heard, are going to have even more stock in store than what people are thinking. So, I mean, if a lot of people hit it, it'll definitely tank resale price, but I wouldn't mind if everybody has those. It's a very nice pair of ones. I've had my pair. Again, you can go check my early review. They're good. I mean, people are going to go crazy for those, as they already have been. There's millions that want them, so we'll kind of see. But it's everything I've discussed right there, all, the leaks. If you want to go check my group, any of that down below, Drew and I have been working on it. So feel free to check us out. Get in the wait list if you want to kind of, again, up your resale game, just kind of be more in the loop about sneaker releases, have a good community, backdoors. I have my daily deals, again, that I drop for undermarket sneakers. You can, kind of start reselling there. Resale help. You want to learn how to bot, we can teach you that. There's so many other things. You can check it all on the site and get in the wait list. And again, it will not charge you unless we let you in, so keep that in mind. But that's all that needs to be mentioned. Follow our socials, check us out there, and that's everything. So I'm Tristan. Thank you guys, and hopefully I will catch you all in the next video soon. Oh, I forgot to end the screen recording. Of course, something. Peace.